Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the flavorful world of spicy egg and cabbage salad. Let's jump right in. To begin, start by cleaning the Chinese cabbage and tearing it into bite-sized pieces by hand. Next, heat a small amount of oil in a pan and crack an egg, frying it until it forms a pouch-shaped omelette. In the same pot, bring water to a boil and add the Chinese cabbage, cooking until it's tender and ready. Now, cut the omelette into pieces and drain the cooked Chinese cabbage, placing them both in a bowl. Add some chopped scallions, minced garlic, minced red chili, a dash of chili powder, a sprinkle of white sesame seeds, and drizzle some hot oil to amplify the flavors. Then, add soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Pour this delightful sauce over your bowl of goodness, mix it all together, and voila, your spicy egg and cabbage salad is ready to enjoy. It's delicious and guilt-free. Don't forget to try this recipe and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.